it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a unboxing on my BT21 Royce Bluetooth microphone. So let's open it. Okay, so here is the package. I am so happy that it has the fragile sticker right here because I was worried it was gonna get damaged during the shipping. So I have already disinfected, so let's directly open it. Let us be careful. It's not straight, but I think it's gonna open up. It's open! It's open. Okay. Okay, so it's wrapped naman. It has like bubble wrap like this. Dito siya nanggaling. Okay? We'll grab... Oh my god, wait lang. Hindi ko makuha. Oh my god. Though there's a bit of dent sa bottom of the box. Ang arte. Pero okay na, it's okay. Basta, ang important is hindi siya damage inside. So, let's open this. Slowly but surely. Wee, there's a thank you card. Ta-da! It says thank you and yeah. From Cherry Shop, David Kim, Korea. Ang cute! Ang cute naman, okay. So there's a cardboard right here para hindi ma-damage yung names of microphones. So this is the wireless mic speaker of BT21, okay? So ito yung itsura sa likod. The back part, this side, okay, wait, let me remove this para naman maganda. Wow! Ganda! This is what I bought. This is the wireless mic speaker, and I got Jungkook's one cookie. Yan. Ganda! And then sa sides, sa back, ayan, para mas clear. Those are different versions for each member. And that. Okay, so you open it here sa side. Okay, let's open this. And test it out as well. So this is how it looks like inside. Wait, I'm gonna move back a bit. It's like that. It has the cord. I think this is the charger. No, this is for the aux. I think yung may ganitong dulo. And then yung sa mic. And then this is the charger. This one. Ito yung old type of charger pa, so it's okay. Let's... Ang ganda! Ang ganda, guys! Ang ganda! How do I get this here? Okay, so I'll just remove everything out of the box. I'm gonna try and get it. I don't know how I'm gonna get this. Help me. So I just took this out. Para i-push ko na lang like so. Okay. Oh, so it has the instructions right here sa side pala. Wait lang. Ow! So I'm gonna put this down here. This is the BT21 instructions. Okay, naka-Korean. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Walang English. Okay, so good luck to me. Good luck to me. Okay. Ay, yung cute, guys. Oh, may design pala siya inside. If you could see. Ayan. Ang cute. Super cute. Okay. Let me put this aside. Okay. So, oh, it's quite heavy. Oh, ang ganda. Para akong MC. Alam niyo yun? 안녕하세요. 저는 크리스티나입니다. 너무 예뻐. Okay, I'm gonna show you up close. Ala, wait! Hindi nyo makita si Cookie. Ayan. It's super cute. Oh, so there's a plastic wrap. Okay, let's remove it. Wait, paano ba? May naka-wrap pa na plastic. Hindi ko matanggal. Okay. Wait for a moment, guys. Ang ganda. Sorry, ang tagal. Ayan nata, I think I got it. Okay, let's... Wow! Ang ganda na. Wow, wow, wow. Wow! Pwede na ako mag-sing. Pwede na ako kumanta. Oh my God. Ang ganda. So, let's grab my phone. Machi-machi! Oh my God! So cute! Okay, I think I'm gonna turn on my Bluetooth. Wait, I'm gonna screen record so you could see. Wait lang, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go to my settings. Bluetooth on. So, ayan. Wait, I forgot to mention, before we connect it to my phone, it has like buttons up here as well. Ayan, you can see that. Then here at the back, you have treble, bass, volume, music, echo. Ang ganda, okay. And then underneath, you have the place to charge it in. I forgot what you call this. What's that? This is charging slot. So let's open it. So I think I need to hold this.
전원이 켜졌습니다.
That is loud. Oh my God, wait. Wait. We're gonna click scan. Let's see if it's gonna connect. Okay, BT21 mic.
연결되었습니다.
Nagugulat ako. Okay. Wait. Wow. Wow! Diba? Wait lang. Paano ko tanggalin yung music? Hello? Diba? Hi! Wait! Di ko alam. Paano ba to? Wait. I want music. So, we're gonna change to music. Echo off. Hello. Okay, I think wala na. Okay na. Let's try and play some music. Those slight sound lang, guys, kasi baka ma-copyright tayo. So, we're gonna go and play some short songs.
Smooth like butter, like cream.
Okay, ganyan lang ka-short. Maka-copyright ako. Sayang naman. Huy, ang galing. Ang ganda ng quality. Wait, isa pa. Ang ganda, pero wait. Gusto ko yung naka-ano. Hello. Annyeonghaseyo. Channel. Christina Imeda. Nakakabano. Smooth like butter. Oh my God. And then you can change the settings however you want. So, i-try natin mag-play ng next song using yung mga buttons sa taas if mag-work din siya. So, since we're gonna test it out then. So, okay yung speaker, the mic works. Shocking. Okay. How do you click? Like, how? Otoke. I don't know how to click this. Tapkan. Yan. So, you have to press it quite hard. Medyo malalim yung button. Then, we're gonna rewind. Wait. It works! Okay, stop. Mga copyright edit. But, wow guys, this is how it looks like. Oh, you can see the speaker. And then, at the back, the sides, the front, and look at this. Oh, there's a USB slot. Oh, if ever pala you want to do karaoke, you could just insert your USB and then boom, hello. I didn't know that. And it's so pretty. Look Look at that. Look at this. It's so pretty. 너무 예뻐. 너무 예뻐요. 진짜. 진짜 진짜. 야. Stan. BTS. Stan and Hyven. Let's go. Let's go. Uy, ang ganda. Ang ganda. It's so pretty. Hi. Hi, 친구. 안녕, 친구. Wait, how do I remove the music? Hello. Meron pa rin. Hi. Oh, ayun, nawala na. If you turn off the volume. Hi. Okay, wala nang ano. Hi. Or if you... Hello. Oh, volume pala yung nagpapabigay ng mic sound. So it's really... Hi. Woo. Okay, so guys, basically that is the end of the unboxing. It works. The chargers and everything. It's really, really pretty. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to get notified whenever I post or upload a new video. See you guys on my next one. Bye!